Okay, so that is all we're going to look at.
Okay.
I want to change one thing, yeah. I want to get rid of that note. So, cool, so that's a great start. Let me explain with playing this what the hell is going on here. So, firstly, am I still recording this? Let's just make sure I am indeed. Yes. Okay, so this little note here, which I'm highlighting it at the moment, so you don't even need to worry because it will be recorded. That little note there is kind of a note I'll put a little bracket in it because it's not important. It's a cool note to play, but it's not fully important for the moment. So I'm going to just play it through. So let's go through what the hell I'm doing. So I'm going, sliding that, bar chord, and then kind of going backwards, bar as well. Now a D chord, and I'm hitting 3, and then 3 here, then this bit. So pull off, then hammer on, E chord, this bit, I'll have to show you next time because that's really quite complicated. This is a hard song, right? If we go back to this.
That's the part when I'm listening to it, I thought that was going to be the hard bit.
Yeah. Hey, you know what? Let me just show it to you, right? So I use my thumb when I go, you don't have to do that. I do it, that's a shape. It's like a 2 there, a 3 there, and a thumb there on the 3rd. The way of getting this technique, right, is you do a thumb, finger maybe on the B string, which is the 2nd string. Just do this. Move my whole hand like this. You might think, what the hell does that have to do with it? But and I'm just going and hitting a different note. So it's B string, G string. So it's actually not that hard. I'm going. So I'm first going, then I'm doing this technique. So it's not as hard as it looks.